Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the recess cover and display enclosure. Removal: carefully disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the audio board ZIF connector and disconnect the audio board ribbon cable from the audio board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the three 6mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the audio board to the display panel assembly. Lift the audio board off of the alignment pins on the display panel assembly and remove. Place the audio board in a static dissipative bag. Replacement: remove the audio board from the static dissipative bag. Place the audio board onto the alignment pins on the display panel assembly. Caution: ensure that the audio board ribbon cable is free from being pinched between the audio board and display panel assembly. Replace the three 6mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the audio board to the display panel assembly. Insert the audio board ribbon cable into the audio board ZIF connector on the audio board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Carefully connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.